my diamonds make it hurt.
Hello guys, here we are doing paper 2017 October November. Now the paper 3 we are doing, okay, paper 3, and here in this we are going to do data analysis. Okay, this part we'll do first. Now let's go here. First, about the evidence document. Open the file 17.3 evidence, and we have to give our details on it. All the details, 3 details we have to give, and we have to save that document using the file name what is existing already. Then we have to further add our candidate number. Fine. So now let's go to the folder. And evidence, here is the evidence. Yeah, so insert a header and select 3 columns. Where is that header? Select 3 columns. Just give your details there. Fast. Then center. Then candidate number. Okay, just click outside. Fine. Now we have to save this with extended file name, like. Then we have to add a candidate number like this, and we have to save as Word document. Fine. Okay, here is just we'll minimize and keep. Whenever we require, we'll come back and we'll paste the screenshots there. Now let's come to the question. Task 2. Now this is all about spreadsheet. You work for a Cozumel tourist board who use a spreadsheet to analyze data about cruise ship passengers in the Caribbean. Use the most efficient methods in your work. Okay, what they are doing. Cozumel tourist boat. They want to just check, analyze their passengers. All about details about passengers. Fine, they have a cruise ship. Now open and examine the files cruise CSV and location.csv in a spreadsheet package. Okay, now let me go to the folder and cruise. Here is the cruise. Select, right click, open with Excel. Another one is what? Location. Select, right click, open with Excel. 2 files are here. Here 2 files. One is location, other one is the cruise. Where is that? Yeah, this is cruise. Fine. Yeah, we have this much data about their D code, maybe destination code, something like that, I guess. A destination, period, months, visitors for this period. Oof, so many. Average visitors, maybe average visitors, or month visitors for this for this period. Okay, then after that what is that? Percentage of change. Percentage change. Okay, these are the details. Fine. Now what about other table? We have other table as well here. L code, location code and location name, I guess, right? So only two columns are there in this, two details. Okay, it's been noted. Now let's come. Save the file cruise as a spreadsheet with a file name cruise underscore and add your candidate number. Okay, then okay, let's do that first. File save as. In paper 3 only we have to save, and here is the one underscore candidate number. Okay, and save as spreadsheet Excel workbook. Done. Now next, this is done. In your cruise spreadsheet, place the text cruise ship analysis left aligned in the header of the page. Place your name, center number and candidate number right aligned in the header of the page. Okay, let's go to the header. View, page layout. Here in this, what they want, we have to type in some text over there. Cruise ship analysis. Okay, cruise ship analysis, and in the footer the total all the other details are details. Name, center number, candidate number. Okay, this is done. Just save the work and get back to normal view. Place the text last edited on followed by today's date automated, the text at, and then the automated time right aligned in the footer. Oh, we have to go for the footer again. Now let me go to view, page layout, go down in the center. Fine, in the center. Date edited on, something like that. Last edited on, sorry. Last edited on, just give a two dots, and then I have to go for what? The date. So just click here, header, footer, then where is that? Current date, and give a space at the total also, just capital T at, and the current time as well, current time. Okay, click outside, save. This whole thing is done. Merge cells E2 to F2. E2, let me just get back to the normal view. E2 to F2, these two. Okay, done. Format this merge cell and the cell G2 so that the text is center aligned in a black 16 font sans serif. Okay, so all these three, center align is already there, 16 point and sans serif, these two, including G2 as well. Where is G2? Okay, so just hold down the control and select that as well, or you can just directly select these two like this. Fine. Now let's go to 16 size and Microsoft sans serif, Microsoft sans serif. Just select sans serif. Okay, done. Okay, this whole thing is done. Merge cells A1 to H1. A1 to H1. Just that. Right? Merge in center. The text is right aligned with a red 20-point sans serif. It has a pale blue background as well. Okay. First is what? Right aligned. We have to make it right. Actually, it's centered, right? Now we have to make it right. 20 point. Let me just select this one. Sorry, it's left align. Right align. 20. I have to go 20 points. Sans serif. Sans serif, right? Yeah, sans serif. Micro. Sans serif. Then it is red in color and background is pale. What is that? Something pale blue. What is that? How it looks? Pale blue. Let me just go here. Pale blue goes like this. Yeah, it's dark blue. Pale blue they want. Shit. Here? Yeah, this is a pale blue. Okay. Not bad. Look wise. This whole thing is done. In cell B4, enter a function. Yeah, now from here onwards, we have to be serious. In cell B4, enter a function to look up the name of the cruise ship's destination from the content of the file, the other one, right? The other file we have. Okay. Where in B4? Fine. B4 what they want? Name of the cruise ship's destination. B4 destination. Yeah, in the other file we have all those details, right? D code and D name, right? So see, here are the D codes here, and also we find that same here, L code, location code. Yeah, location is nothing but destination. AFG, just match the values and see. AFG is there. Wait, there is no AFG. What else we have? ANT. Let me check. ANT. Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, Antigua and Barbuda. Fine. ANG, Angola. ANG. Yeah, that also not there. What I'm picking is not there. Bar is for what? BAR. Bar. Barbados. Fine, fine. Okay, these are the ones we have to use. Okay, let's go. In this cell, right? So we are searching for the value. So we have to use what? VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP open bracket. Now, what is the lookup value? So we work for the first record, first value. So let's select this one, A4, comma. Now, the table array is the other table. Fine. Now let's go to the other table. So from where we have to select? From second onwards we have to select. Okay. From second till last. Oof, so many. I did not just scroll till here when I was looking for the stuff. Okay, fine. Till here. Fine. Now you can see automatically it appeared there. Just click there and put comma. Where now column index number is which one? Where we are getting the value, from which column we are getting the value? We are getting value from the second column. And false for the exact match. Close the bracket, enter. Antigua and Barbados. Yes, see the formula here. Okay, done. Next, in cell F4, enter a formula to calculate the average number of visitors in a month for this destination, rounded down to the nearest visitor. Okay, if it comes in like a in decimal places, no, the person cannot be half, right, or something fraction, right? So we have to round it off. So for that, in cell F4, average number of visitors. So average number of visitors F4. This is the one. So what is the base for us for this calculation? What is the base for us? The visitors, average visitors, right? So the visitors by the months, isn't it? Then only it is called average, right? What you just said over here, average number of visitors in a month, visitors a month. So we have to divide the number of visitors by the number of months, and we also have to round it off. Equal to, we can take a rounding off, we can take int. We have an int function, integer, it converts to the integer. Okay, now I'll take the number of visitors divided by number of months. Close the bracket. Fine. Here, this many for 3 months. 106. Yeah, per month this many. That means almost. Okay. Now see, this is rounded off as well. We have another one as well. We have another function for rounding off. Okay, so let me show you even that one. Okay, equal to, we have a function round down. You see there? See, round down. Open bracket, and we'll just give the value this by this, comma, round off to 0. We don't want any decimal places. Close the bracket. See that. In either cases, you will get the same value. Okay, done. Now let's move to the next. In cell H4, enter formula to calculate the percentage change in the number of visitors between 2014 and 2015. We have the details of 2014 and 2015 only, right? In this, see 2015 and 2014. So we have to show the difference between this number and this number, and we have to get the percentage. See how the question is given us. Calculate the percentage of change in the number of visitors, okay, of 2014 and 2015. Okay, fine. So here what we'll do, in where is that, here we have to equal to, now 2014 and 2015. So first we have to, because we have to get the difference of it. Okay, so equal to, first we have to get the difference of it from 2015 to 2014. So we are doing minus. Fine. So something, this number we get, but we have to get the percentage. we have to get the percentage compared to 2014. What is the change? So what I'll do here just click, and we have to divide it by, see, I'm just using one bracket so here like this, uh, uh, means first like a board mass, like so, then divided by this number, then only we get the extra word as a percentage of 15, 2015. Okay, then press enter. So here you see just 0, but just we have to add what is that, we have to add the percentage there. Fine, see here, percentage, because it was just general number, rounded off number. Yes, so it's 19 percentage. Fine. Okay, now what's next? 6 we did. Play. Replicate the formulae entered in step 4 to 6 for each destination. Apply appropriate formatting to your spreadsheet. Save your spreadsheet, print the spreadsheet showing the formulae, and it should be in landscape. Okay, let me first replicate the stuff where I did this one. Let me just replicate till the last value. Okay, and this one as well I have to replicate till this value. Then come over here, this one. Okay, this one as well I have to replicate till 22. Okay, this is done. Now we have to add the currency or something. Rich visitors, appropriate, they're telling me something. Yeah, percentages they mean. Okay, we added that. Okay, save the work, and after this we have to print it with formulae. Print the spreadsheet showing the formulae, landscape orientation, row and column headings are displayed, contents of are fully visible. Okay, here I have to go for print, and I have to change the orientation to landscape. Okay, oh sorry, I have to just go for what, the formula and show formula first. Okay, then file, print, and it's a landscape only. Here first page, second page, width wise, anything is said, width wise it has to fit, just orientation, that's it, the orientation only. All the formulas we have to show, just make sure it's all visible clearly. Yeah, just use the margins, and you can just adjust if needed, like this. Okay, till here it is. Yeah, now it's clear. Here, other one as well, you can just adjust them like this. Then on the second page we have more. See, this whole thing is clearly visible, this also visible, and this is also visible. Okay, fine. Fine, like this also we can see. Fine, this is done. And yeah, what is that, the column headings should be displayed. Just go to page setup, in this sheet, row and column headings. Fine. Okay, yeah, it will be like this. Okay, first one and the second page as well, 2 pages are coming here, from here to here. Yeah, it's gone to the other here. Okay, then done. Now we have to remove the formulas. Just click the same thing, it will go off. We'll get the values over here. Now after this, what we have, make sure we're going to print it as well. Yeah, we have all our details on it. Print the spreadsheet showing the formulae. Make sure it's in portrait. Rows and column headings are there and contents are fully visible. Okay, then till this one also will just check, and we'll just close this session. We'll start another session for the rest of the question paper. Here just go to file, print. Now this time we need what's that, we need the portrait. Okay, and rows and columns are displayed, and anything is said to fit on a single page. No, it is not. It fits on a single portrait page. No, we have to fit it on a single page. Yeah, here it's going to the second page. What is that in second page? Okay, just I can adjust this to get it, and other columns as well I will adjust. Here just go to the first page and adjust these margins, and here as well this we got a lot of space for the month. Yeah, we got here. Yes, this is on a single page, and rows and columns are displayed. Okay, done. Now the rest of the questions we will do in the other session.